Hi, in this video let me show you how to use the HDMI in port on the back of your soundbar to pass through video like a PlayStation, Xbox, other consoles, even a DVD player. So let's get started. So in this video I'll be using this small gaming console over here that has an HDMI port in the back. Step number one is to use an HDMI cable, connect one end in the HDMI in port on the back of your soundbar, and then the other end of this HDMI cable connected in the back of your device, HDMI out port. Next, we need another HDMI cable. Connect one end of this HDMI cable in the HDMI out TV ARC, or maybe yours doesn't say TV ARC, port in the back of your soundbar. The other end of this HDMI cable will go in the back of your TV in the HDMI port that says ARC. Sometimes it can also say EARC. So I'll go ahead, in my case it's HDMI 1. I'll also connect the power cable in the back of my soundbar and connect the other end in a wall outlet. Power on your device that you have plugged in the soundbar. Use the remote control of your TV and select the HDMI port where you have connected the soundbar in the back. In my case, if you remember, it was HDMI 1. So I will select HDMI 1. There is currently no signal, and this is normal. On the soundbar itself, depending which model you will have to choose as a source the HDMI port where we have connected the device. So on this JBL model, it's the button on the right side, and if I tap on it I can shuffle. This is Bluetooth. Here we have HDMI in, okay, and this is what we want, HDMI in. I think my device is not fully turned on, so this is why we don't see anything on the TV. Okay, now it should work. I see a light here. And as you notice, and here also, the sound, let me just lower the volume. The sound is coming from this device in our sound bar through the HDMI in port, and through the HDMI out port of the soundbar, the sound and image are going to the TV. So the soundbar acts as a pass-through since it retains the audio, but the video goes from here inside of the soundbar and out on the TV. So this is how you use the HDMI in port on the back of your soundbar to connect again Xbox, DVD players, cable box, everything that has an HDMI can go in there. Now you're probably wondering, why would you use this instead of connecting the device directly on the back of your TV? Well, one of the main reasons is that since your soundbar is connecting using an HDMI port on the back of your TV, normally it takes the space of a device that could have been there. Maybe, as you see here, my TV only has 2 HDMI ports. Therefore, if I use one for my soundbar, the other one, let's say for a Fire Stick, I cannot plug a console in the back of my TV. So by using this technique, I free up an HDMI port and it adds that HDMI port on the back of my soundbar. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.